Imagine walking into your kitchen after a long day at work. The lights adjust to your mood. The coffee maker brews your favorite blend, and the oven preheats to the perfect temperature for your dinner, all without you lifting a finger. This is not the next sci-fi blockbuster. It's the reality of AI in smart appliances. Artificial intelligence, or AI, in smart appliances refers to the integration of machine learning algorithms and data analytics into everyday household devices, making them more intuitive and efficient. These appliances are designed to learn from your habits and preferences, enabling them to anticipate your needs and perform tasks autonomously. Think of it as giving your devices a brain that can analyze patterns and make decisions, thereby transforming how we interact with our home environments. Consider the smart refrigerator. Equipped with AI, such a refrigerator can track the freshness of its contents, suggest recipes based on available ingredients, and even order groceries when supplies run low. This goes beyond mere convenience. It's about creating a seamless interaction between you and your kitchen. Imagine your fridge alerting you to a carton of milk nearing its expiration date, or suggesting a new dish when it detects you're running low on the usual staples. These features not only save time, but also reduce food waste, making your household more sustainable. Now, let's turn our attention to AI-powered washing machines. These machines can determine the optimal water level, detergent amount, and wash cycle for your laundry, based on the load's weight and fabric type. By analyzing data from previous washes, the appliance learns your preferences over time, ensuring your clothes are washed efficiently while using the least amount of energy and resources. This kind of personalization not only enhances user satisfaction, but also contributes to energy savings, reducing the environmental footprint of each wash. Smart thermostats are another compelling example. They learn your schedule and temperature preferences, adjusting the heating and cooling in your home to ensure comfort while optimizing energy use. By understanding when you're home or away, these devices can significantly reduce energy bills. Imagine never having to fumble with the thermostat again, as it intelligently manages your home's climate. This not only promises enhanced comfort, but also aligns with global efforts to reduce energy consumption and combat climate change. Reflecting on the broader impact of AI in smart appliances, we realize that it's more than just convenience. It's about redefining our relationship with technology and our environment. These smart devices aim to create homes that think and adapt, improving quality of life while promoting sustainability. However, like all technologies, these advancements come with their set of challenges. Privacy concerns arise as these devices collect and analyze data, necessitating robust security measures to protect user information. Additionally, as these technologies become more pervasive, there's a growing need to consider their implications on the job market. Looking ahead, the future of AI and smart appliances promises even more innovation. We can envision a future where homes are entirely self-regulating ecosystems, capable of managing resources efficiently and responding dynamically to the needs of their occupants. As we stand on the brink of this technological transformation, the potential for AI to enhance our daily lives is immense. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on future technology.